My name is William Stiven Osorio Bedoya. I I going to talk about conditionals. Zero conditionals. If I am hungry, I eat. If I if it rains, streams with. I am if I don't take a shower, it smells so bad. First conditional. I will give you a car if you give me a motorbike. If she first fix the TV, we can watch movies. I will put on my raincoat if it rains tomorrow. Second conditional. If you sun and the show, you will earn more money. If she bought a bicycle, she will arrive faster. If Mary forgot her story, she will be yet. Third conditional. If I had sleep in you, I will will not have been there. If I have attended to the dance class every day, if Wilton learning to dance well, my best friends will have been been happy if you had gone to his house. Thank you.